All right, teachers, this is a quick video to help support in how to do grade changes for the boot camp students who attended during their winter holiday. Shout out to Colonel B for letting me use his screen. We're going to pretend this is an algebra teacher. This says algebra, not ROTC. When we log into your Power Schools, it's going to be in the current cycle, cycle 3. You want to drop down, go to cycle 2. Please do not go to any other areas as we do not have the permission to edit any other areas except for cycle 2. Once you click on that, you find the student you have the grade change form for. Miss Marilyn should have delivered predetermined students who have already attended and their original grade. So let's pretend I have a form for Mike Flores. His original grade on that form says 28, but he attended the Cycle 2 boot camp during his winter holiday and did everything he was supposed to, so that 28 is being overridden to a 70. That is the grade that they are receiving for attending that boot camp. Do not edit the percentage, only edit the raw number. And then go ahead and click Save. And by doing so, you have confirmed that Mike Flores has in fact finished the boot camp for cycle 2 and it received a 70. On the form, please go ahead and sign it. The new grade will be a 70. And these forms are due back to Ms. Guerra on or before January 22nd. Should you have any questions about this, please reach out to Ms. Marilyn and Ms. Guerra. Lastly, make sure you go back to your current cycle, cycle 3, when you're done doing all of the grade changes for all the students you have forms for. Thank you guys for everything you do.